going to discuss what does the yield keyword do in Python programming language. So first here I'm going to show the example without the using yield keyword. Okay, so here writing def, then after let's write your return and underscore func. Now this here next is let's use the colon. Then after that here writing my underscore list, and they're going to pass some values inside the list, 12, then here 13, and the next is 14. After that the next is using here for loop. So for I, then after in my underscore list, and let's use here colon, then after that let's use here return. So return I into 2, then after a double press, then after that the next is y equal to, or they're going to write here return underscore func. So func, and now this time going to print here or print the value of y, and print the value of y. So now you can see this is here memory location of the function that's displaying. Now this time's going to write here return func, or just write here y. Okay, so if you write here y, so now you can see 12 into 2, that is 24. Now the next is if I write again y and bracket, then again you can get here 24. I'm gonna do some iteration like 24 into 2, then 13 into 2, 14 into 2. So for this going to use here next function, next, and inside there I'm going to pass here y. Now press enter, so there you can get some message function object is not an iterator. Okay, so this is not a iterator. So this here I'm not getting the expected output. I'm not doing the iteration of 13 and 14. So to avoid this and to resolve these problems, you can use here yield keyword. Okay, so this time it's going to use here yield keyword. So let's write here def, after that y underscore generator, and let's use here comma. Now after that the next is let's going to write here lst, and this time's going to pass the same value to have 13 and 14. And the next is let's use here for loop for I in, and they're going to write here lst, then colon, and now writing here yield y yield, and here I into 2. Then this time's going to write here rec, then writing y underscore generator, and this here the next is let's write here print. So you can get here this the return function, and this also giving same things. So this is here you can see function that is used to return funcs, and this here generated that's returning object y generated at this location. Now after that the next is writing here rec equal to, and the next is I'm going to do some iterations. So let's use here next, and here let's write here rec. Now if you press, so here you can see I into first iteration I value is now here 12, and 12 into 2, that is 24. Now the next is this going to write here Rick, and sorry, this here writing print then Rick. Now okay, there's here we need to use next, not so next for iteration. So this times you can see there's no any error, then this is doing the iteration, or 13 into 2, that is 26. Like that there is one more element inside the list. So let's write here next Rick. So this time 28, that is displaying. Like if I try to do once again, then you can see this there is no any element inside there on the list, so that this things returning some error. Okay, so this is message is now a stop iteration because no element is that there. So with the if you are using returns, this will not do any iteration, but if you are going to use the id, then that will do the iteration. So this is why we are going to use here id keyword in pythons. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see next video, thank you.